another new feature or addition to iOS 7 is the increasing availability of ringtones, a different variety of ringtones that now are added with your iPhone. And that's pretty good because the ones from the previous version are pretty dull, and your options were really limited. Besides, the fact that you can get your own ringtones or make them, but the ones that came with the phone were very few. Now you have more choices. To access them, just go to Settings, go where it says Sound, and scroll down so you can see the different alternatives for ringtones. And there is much more variety now. You can see there is a long list here, and there is also a long list for alert tones too. And there is, you can hear that this is just a few that didn't existed before. So you see there is a wide variety of additional ringtones. There is even a category or a folder that for classic ringtones. Where you will find a lot of the ringtones that were the old ones are included in here in the classic folder. So anyway, I'll just switch back to the one I wanted. So, and you can of course change the sound for any of the different things like tweets, text tones, or when you send an email, or for Facebook posts. So much more variety and alternatives, so it's really worth checking out. Thank you.